when would be the right time to implement a practice organizing software tool such as Jetpack Workflow? Is there one better than the rest? Oh, great question, Rob. I'm going to treat these two questions separately. When would be the right time to implement the organizing software tool? I'll tell you what. So first of all, implement the tool if you need this organization to be able to operate without you or beyond you, or if it makes sense for your organization to have other people having access to this practice organizing software tool. To my knowledge, Jetpack is internal only and you don't share with clients. There are other practice organizing software tools that you do share secure spaces with clients. If it's a tool that you would share with a client, for example, Asana or Monday or Basecamp are three examples off the top of my head, the time is always right. Start now, start today. Pick a tool and implement it right away. Clients having access to this shared space provides shared accountability. It also reduces risk for clients. Reduced risk also reduces your sales pipeline time, and it increases the dollar value of every engagement. Reduced risk increases the value of the work together because you have increased transparency, increased accountability, increased clarity. However, if it's only for internal purposes, I would say don't wait until you hire your first person. But if you're never going to hire and you're not going to share this with anybody else, I would say just implement something simple when you realize that you're running out of conscious brain space and that keeps it all organized for you. So that's really my rubric for this. In general, though, I generally recommend A, having a shared tool with clients, and B, I dare you, I challenge you to build a business beyond yourself. That's half of the lure, the promise of entrepreneurship, is that you can have no cap on your earnings. You have much more design and freedom in controlling your time portfolio, the time portfolio of your life. And if everything in your organization is always depending on you and only you better have some really special things in place. And yes, that's possible, but really have some special things in place that if something happens to you, your income keeps rolling along. And that your time is freed up to spend it in whatever way you wish, and you're not shackled to your firm. And that includes people like me who, I love my firm. I love what I do every day. And also, I use practice organizing software to scale beyond myself. Why? I want to make a bigger impact in the world. And I can't do that if everything is dependent on me personally. My business is not the only thing in the world that I'm committed to. And if something should happen, I want my business to be able to continue making an impact in the world. And if I need to honor some other commitments, or if I want to honor some other commitments, I want my business to continue to function. So that's my answer to that. And my final piece on that first question is, don't wait until it's until you're so busy that you're saying, oh my gosh, I'm so busy, I need to hire somebody right away. You're not going to have time to stop and set it up and document processes and procedures. Do it now while things are slow. I'm not saying that things are slow in your firm, but do it while things are slow. Do it before you need it. And do it by setting it up, documenting how things are going, and best case scenario, you're sharing this with clients to lower risk, accelerate work, accelerate your sales pipeline. And what I'd like to do is invite you, Rob, since we're out of time today, I'd like to invite you to join us next week and ask me that second question again about, is there one better than the rest? And I'll give you my thoughts, opinions, and a couple of facts about that as well. Thank you for writing those questions, Rob. Really magnificent stuff.